Today I'm going to install a new axleback on my car. No, I'm not, because today I'm going to install a new catback on my car. It's a Kooks. It just seems like super high quality. It seems really nice. It took me almost 3 months to get. 2 weeks of that is because of FedEx. I hate FedEx. FedEx sucks. FedEx can suck it. When I got the car, it had these Roush axlebacks on it, and that's kind of dumb that he would go from quads to duals. And I'm really excited to have some quads on there. And these sound really good, but why would you go from quads to duals? I think it was just an uneducated thing. I don't know. But these are going, and I'm going to sell them. And these are the new ones. So let's do this. So you got to jack it up and lower the rear axle. So no way around it to get those stock tubes out. I don't think that I'm the only one that spends more time trying to align the tips when I install exhaust than I do doing anything else. But I spend more time making sure that the tips are even more than anything else because it drives me nuts. But I think I got them. They look pretty sick and I cannot wait to hear it. So let's go. I wish I had remote start so I could stand behind it and start it, but I don't. I'll tell you what. That was a lot of work getting these things lined up perfectly because I am kind of a perfectionist and I couldn't settle with it being any different on each side. So getting it in and out, up and down and left and right. And then I finally got it after fighting with it for a long time. And then I set the car on the ground and the driver's side changed. So then I had to mess with it again while it was on the ground forever, and then it was good. And then I drove it and I came home and the driver's side changed again. So the passenger side is locked down perfect. And so I just mess with the driver's side again, and hopefully it stays there because I am tired of messing with these tips, but they're perfect. They're a lot quieter than the Roush. I'd say a lot quieter, but a considerable amount quieter. But I know that it's a new exhaust and it'll break in and get a little bit louder, but they look good. They look good. They stick out the perfect amount evenly. They just look excellent. They look so much better than that dual exhaust. Heck yeah. So the quality of these seems pretty good. Hopefully this son of a bitch stays in its spot. But we'll see, whatever. That's that. Coming up for this truck, I'm gonna get the 302 that's in it, which isn't the stock motor. I'm gonna get that rebuilt, sent out to a machine shop and get a long block done. I think I'm gonna keep the stock heads on it and get one of those 303 cams. I don't know which one. And like I've already said before, all my suspension is ordered. I just have to somehow tear that apart in here. That is not practical. I'm gonna have to find storage for this. Hopefully I can store that there as well. I'm gonna have to move stuff around and try to make room because it's just got so much stuff in a tiny garage.